Good morning, dear students. I am Sanju Hazria, Assistant Professor of English at Government College Ratangad. Today I am going to explain Philip Larkin's poem Going, and this is the last poem in this BA Second Year syllabus. And this poem is included by Maharaja Ganga Singh University in syllabus of BA Part 2nd, Paper 1st. So this is first stanza. There is an evening coming in across the fields, one never seen before, that lights no lamps. Silken it seems at a distance, yet when it is drawn up over the knees and breast, it brings no comfort. So, in the poem, the poet describes the imminence of death. The title of this poem refers to the exit of a human being from this world. Going here means dying. So what poet is saying about death is expressed in this stanza and in this poem. There is an evening. An evening means the evening of human life or death coming in across the fields. Coming in. Death is coming in across the fields, crossing all stages of human life. One never seen before. One never seen before means poet didn't see this evening before because death comes once in life. That lights no lamps. That lights no lamps. Death ends everything. No light is required after it. Silken it seems. It seems very beautiful. It seems silken. Soothen or comfortable feeling. At a distance, from distance, death appears very comfortable. Yet when it is drawn up over the knees and breast, but when it draws near the over the knees and breast means when death passes over man's knees and breast or occupies the body, it brings no comfort. It brings not any comfort. It brings no eternal peace like sleep. So the poet has a feeling that death is approaching him. The approach of death is described by him in metaphorical terms. This approach is like the approach of an evening when no lamps are to be lighted. Again speaking, metaphorically he describes the approach of death as something silken when seen at a distance, but he finds no comfort in its seeming softness or gentleness. It is a more or less melancholy poem. In any case, it is a poem in which the poet broods over the fact of death and especially upon the nearness of death. It is relevant to point out in this connection that the original title of this poem was Dying Day. It may also be pointed out that death was one of Larkin's preoccupations, if not one of his obsessions. Death is a recurrent theme in his poetry. This poem is deeply pessimistic poem. The speaker here anticipates the coming of death and he speaks about death in metaphorical language. He refers to the approach of death as an evening which is coming across the fields. So it is very pessimistic poem. I think you understood it. And now next and last stanza of this poem. Where has that tree gone that locked earth to the sky? What is under my hands that I cannot feel? What loads my hands down? So, in this stanza, poet says, where has that tree gone? Where has that tree gone? So, the speaker cannot, for instance, see the tree which he could always see on previous occasions, that locked earth to the sky, that united. That locked means that united earth to the sky. It was a very tall tree which seemed to link the earth with the sky. What is under my hands that I cannot feel? So, but now that lofty tree has become invisible to him, then he also finds that the object beneath his hands no longer gives him the same sensation which he used to experience formerly. What lords? Lords means weight, and what load something weighs poet's hands, my hands down, and that load is making poet feeling weight upon his hands which is making his hands down means passiveness of body. So furthermore something weighs upon his hands forcing them downwards, but he does not know what that something is. Thus, the speaker in this poem discovers that a great change has taken place in the things around him and also in his emotional reactions to those things. So, the poet uses metaphors to express his reaction to the approach of death. The speaker misses certain objects and certain sights which had previously existed in a tangible form. The tree which is no longer to be seen, the object which his hands can no longer feel, and the weight which pushes his hands downwards, these are all metaphors for the vanishing or melting away of this material, visible world at the arrival of death. So I think you understood it, and thanks for watching this video. Enjoy this video, and this is our last poem. Thanks.